Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best 60% mechanical gaming keyboards available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have rkRoyal 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This RK61 Mini 60% gaming keyboard is a ultra-compact layout with 61 keys. That makes you a neat desktop with your organized gears on even folks have nothing to do. It comes with minimalist. We'll dive into its tiny practical design. This RK61 keyboard is ergonomic design for long-term comfortable use. Its ergonomically designed keycaps will reduce fatigue during long period of play. At number 6 we have stoga 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard is compact with a reduced form factor for easy portability. And the detachable USB Type-C cable and space-saving design free up your desktop's workspace. You can enjoy a smooth and comfortable typing experience with well-spaced keys on the keyboard. This keyboard features RGB backlighting with customization. This design mechanical keyboard with a 2.0 transfer speed plug and play. At number 5 we have rkRoyal 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This ultra-compact layout comes with 61 keys, makes you a neat desktop with your organized gears on. Even folks have nothing to do with minimalist will dive into its tiny practical design. It allows you to use continuously about 13 hours with lightest backlit up to 360 hours standby time. The 17 dynamic backlit modes keep the plain effect away. You can enjoy the fun of making your own unique keyboard. At number 4 we have DKRoyal 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This DK61 mechanical keyboard has a perfect size and it's good for home and office use, without numpad. And more practical for gamers and typists, give more space to your desktop. It is powerful software editing features, personalize functions as you like. It customize advanced features and offline macros. Its software can meet all your needs and realize your endless imagination. And you can be hot swapped, replaced by other optical switches you like. At number 3 we have gaming keyboard. This minimalistic design, doing more with less. It requires less hand movement while still being able to access all the functionalities. It saves desk space and easy to carry around. This decent Bluetooth connectivity enables wireless connection up to 4 devices and switch seamlessly back and forth. It saves desk space and easy to carry around. At number 2 we have Motospeed 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This adopts Bluetooth 3.0 technology, makes connection effortless. Its wired and Bluetooth dual mode accommodates to any situations for you to use. It comes with LED backlight, easily switches backlight modes. The compact 61-key mechanical keyboard design saves more space. You can use our 60% mechanical keyboard at home, at the company, and on the travel because its size is very convenient to carry. At number 1 we have Kraken Pro 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. The Kraken Pro 60% mechanical keyboard is trusted by many of your favorite pro players, YouTubers, Twitch streamers, and other content creators around the world. Its silver speed switches are extremely fast, giving you the advantage in video games. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best 60% mechanical gaming keyboards for your need.